The report module has collated all the business information that we've added from the invoices, from the quotes, and our expenses. The first report module is the revenue module, and it's broken up into 4 parts on the screen. The first part is your average profit per job. If we touch on that, you'll see the average profit per job is $1,147.75. If we want to take a closer look at that, quick, simple, 2 touches and that will expand. That's a calculation of all the profits per jobs divided by the number of jobs. If we close that, the next one along is our profit and our turnover. By double clicking on the screen, you'll notice we click a particular date. In this scenario, we've got March the 15th. Our revenue for the day was $4,951, but our gross profit was $3,679. This calculation comes from the total amount of the invoice minus the stock that we've purchased on the invoice. We can drill down in this sheet by looking at particular dates, or down the bottom we can scan in to a particular date and have a closer look at different days. The bottom quadrant is the expenses. If we say, let's have a look at the expenses for April, that will give us a list of all our expenses and give us an idea of what percentage we're spending on particular items. In this case, 6.6% of our expenses went on equipment repayments, while 13% went on equipment fuel. The last one on the revenue sheet is our revenue versus expenses. In this case, we've turned over $5,380 in turnover, and our total expenses was $1,478. Send or email any of these reports. Quite simply, push the reports, choose the report that you would like to email, and send email. This will automatically generate an email that you can send, whether it be a business advisor, an accountant, or bookkeeper. By hitting performance, we see a whole new quadrant. Job targets. In the settings page, we can set how many jobs you would like to do for that particular month. In this scenario, we've selected we would like to do 20 jobs. The technician so far has completed 2. As they complete the jobs, the graph will go up and keep them motivated to get to their target. The job sources tracks where our jobs come from. So when we add a new job, we select the source of the job, we track it into here. In this scenario, we see that 33% of our jobs have come from Yellow Pages and 66% from Google. The other graphs are job status, which show us where our jobs are at as far as, are they archived and completed, are they in progress, or are they just an inquiry? Here we see the hours worked versus the hours paid, our earnings per hour, average time spent per job, and our average revenue per job.